Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to show you, I did a pocket letter swap with Emily. Emily is on YouTube and Instagram as Jerseycgirl E. I'll put that down below. But we actually met very briefly yesterday to exchange because she only lives about 5 minutes away from me. So we just kind of met halfway at our local mall and exchanged rather than paying the shipping costs. So super cool, right? So Emily, if you're watching, it was really nice to meet you, and it would be great to hang out sometime, get a cup of coffee, something like that. So we're going to get into the package here. This is kind of how I knew who she was, because I saw her walking in the parking lot with the post office box. I was like, oh, that's gotta be her. So we're just gonna take a look at all these goodies in here. So what I'm gonna do first is just take everything out, and then we'll go through it. Okay. So this is everything that was in the package. Oh my gosh, girl, Emily, you definitely went way overboard. But thank you. And we're just gonna take a look at everything and open up this pocket letter. Oh, wow. So pretty. Okay, and there's a card, so let's just take everything out. And here is Emily's pocket letter. So let's, oh, look at the colors, guys. Oh, the green and yellow, I love it. I love this clip with the little iridescent leathers there hanging off. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. I wonder if she made that or if she bought that. I don't know. But yeah, I am just loving this color combination. Look at her tassel here. And that looks like an eraser charm. So cute. And I love the green. And this pretty ribbon down the side. Oh, this tool is pretty. It's got, it's yellow, but it has silver, like polka dots on there, and just different pieces and colors. And oh, love it, Emily. Thank you so much. And we flip it over, and we have a ton of goodies. So here we have a charm. Let's see if we can get that out. Oh, look at that. That one of those, it's like one of those button. It reminds me of like the buttons, like in the button makers, but really dainty, delicate. I love the use of the bell on there. Some wire wrapped beads. So pretty. I will definitely be hanging that on something. I do have a work bag. If I ever go back to work, I could hang it on there. Some pretty die cut. Oh, look at how cute these are. With a little stamp that says, "Take me away," little mini coffees. Oh, I love it. A bow. Some lemons. Oh. There's some really neat dies out there, guys. There really are. And this, I'm going to think spells something, because there's some letters in here. I could see shine, and then it looks like some letters in there. And then these die cuts here. So we'll put those away. And then here we have some tags. Really, oh, look at these. These are cute. I wonder what paper collection this is from. This whole thing, I wonder what the collection is, because the paper is just gorgeous. And then, okay, so here we have some yellow, like satin ribbon. Really pretty. I don't have much yellow at all. And I'm actually liking yellow this year. And I like the yellow with like the navy blue combination, but I'm liking the yellow with the green as well now. So I'm just pulling out some more die cuts. Here we have some keys. Oh, and some cupcakes. Look at how cute everything is. I can't stand it. And then here, I'll just leave those in there. Some green heart bling. And then in here we have a little baggie with a bunch of goodies. There's some brads in there, some bottle caps, and some more die cuts. Say sending hugs. Thank you. And then in here, let's see. And then I do have some of these. This has to be from a particular collection, because I was gifted some of these in a summer swap that I did, because I remember this flamingo tube and the gold the gold on there. Thank you so much, Emily. And then there's one more pocket here. And that has some more tags in it. Oh, these are pretty. It's like Hawaii, like those big Hawaii leaves. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm just gonna put everything here and we will put that back later. Right, guys, and here are the rest of Emily's goodies that she included. I did not open the card, and that was very, I don't know where my manners were with that. It was always important to open the card before the gift. I know I learned that, and I instilled that in my kids as well. So it's just a really cute card with cameras on here, just thanking me for the swap. And we should do a swap, a shop day, and we should because we live so close. So let's see, look at this pretty ribbon here. You can see it's sparkly on there, like that. Some planner stickers. Oh, these are really nice. Oh, thank you. It's like a little booklet from Michael's. This is Recollections. No spend, I like those stickers. Should use those more. My husband would probably like if I use those stickers more. And we have this little pouch here. Let's see what is inside. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at how cute. These are adorable. You know, when I do these swaps, I don't tend to make as much that I could, you know, like to just make it. I go more towards like the store-bought goodies. But these are absolutely adorable. Love them, Emily. This looks like a sequins mix. And it is, but look at the colors in there. The pink and orange and yellows. Super springy, great for summer. A cute little felt flower face. So cute. And then here looks like we have some trim. And I do believe she sells this on her page, so this is really pretty. Definitely worth checking out. Yeah, I like that. Oh, such a great way to do trim on the fabric like that. So pretty. Emily, so talented, my lady. Okay, now in here, this looks to be some little die. Oh, look at how cute. Everything is just cuter than the next. These little flowers here. Ugh. Just kind of set everything out. And then here we have, what is this? This pretty ribbon. It's really pretty ribbon. I will be saving that and doing something with that. And then that's wrapped in some teal tulle. Try saying that fast. Teal tulle. This is really pretty. Definitely could be used as a bookmark. And okay, so here is her stuff here, but I'll put it down below. That's her name, her namesake, her channel. We have a couple more goodies here. So here we have some stickers, Paper Studio. These are super cute. I love it. They're like hip, yeah, I am woman stickers. And then here are some, oh, look at the J up there for Joanne. Some embellished, oh, they have little pockets with goodies in them, with die cuts. You know what, I just love getting all these different ideas, and I'm almost wondering if she took these foam balls and cut them in half to get them on there. I think so. I think so. Here's another piece of tulle that is sewn down the middle with a really pretty bow there. Emily, thank you. And then here we have, let's see if we can open, this looks like some tassels. Everything is packaged so nicely. So really cute packaging, says good times, enjoy. And then she has two tassels here. Look at this. Look at how cute these are. And this is like the latest that I've been seeing everybody make, using these little clamps and just putting, you know, some ribbon or paper, just like strips if you have, not scraps, but what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, maybe scraps. It's a good way to use up your, if you just have little pieces of things. So these are both really cute. I love the coloring in both of them. This is more of like fall colors. A smoky. Sorry, my dog was doing something. And then this is, of course, more spring, which matches that beautiful pocket letter. So Emily, thank you so much for all the goodies. I am so happy that you decided to swap with me. And guys, go check out Emily's channel so you can see her creations. She puts up some project videos, and actually I just watched one on her channel the other day with I think this is one of those Julie Nutting Girl. Is that what it's called? Julie Nutting? I think so. Oh, wait. Guys, we didn't open this. Let's take a look. I know I saw these little eggs at the Dollar Tree. And I thought to myself, I'm like, oh yeah, they'd be cute to do something with. But I didn't do anything with them. I didn't even get them. So anyway, on the outside, she has some really pretty layered flowers here. And then you open it up. And this is a great idea. It's the way of sending some goodies. And there are a bunch of, and you know what? I love when I am gifted rosettes, only because I don't have like the rosette die cut. And I can't be bothered anymore making them by hand because that was just too much. So I love when I am gifted them because then I just put them aside, and then when I need one, I have them to pull out. So these are absolutely gorgeous, and they almost look like sugar coated. Some of these with the chunky glitter on the edges. So pretty, all different colors and designs so that they can be used in all different kinds of projects. And then this cute little egg. And what a great way to store it. So good, and a great idea for next year. So all right guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing Emily's swap, and I hope you go check out her channels, her pages, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.